So this is what I like being a full-time reseller, because even though I'm busy what I'm doing every day, even though I'm doing vlogging, I'm doing listing, or I'm doing cooking in my kitchen here, or I'm eating, or anything what I do, is I have every time I heard a ding, that means money. So that's what I like on EB, because even you're sleeping, you heard a ping, that means money. So this one, guys, is somebody buy just for May 21. Today is May 21. I think today is May 21. So this one, while I'm doing vlog here, somebody buy Atleta Razorback tank top, and it's $19, worth of $19. So I buy this for $3 from garage sale. So I sold for $19. It's not too much, but it's a money. And then I have this. I remember this. It's a boots. It's a boots, guys. It's a boots house. And then the brand is Jessica Samson, knee high until the knees. And then leather boots, size 6, and it's fit for me. I've tried it before. So this is like 3 months ago that I listing. Now finally sold for 3 months. Now it's sold for $50. So I remember this one. I buy this for $5. So $5, guys, and then the buyer paid the shipping. So sold for $50. So I will count. I will uh do a mathematics how much I make money for these items. But I know this is $5 and sold for $50. So I have here, I can put over here. So it's a win-win, guys. So sometimes that's what I like doing listing, because every time you list you make money. Somebody need to buy a clothes, somebody need to buy